Hey everybody, it's Sonjdradeluxe. We got flew out. Can I get a hell yeah? We are going to New York City for literally 2 nights with Pat Mcgrath Labs for their Star Wars Pat Mcgrath Labs collection. I'm so excited. Looking like garbage, but still trying to slay. We got some melatonin, Advil, allergy pills, and Otriven nose spray in case we get a little pressure headache when we land. I used to get those so bad, so I always fly with Otriven. Also got my Nintendo Switch on deck. We are business class, what? So this is what we're eating. This is the menu. Very excited. This is my first time flying in a year. So I was through the roof, also starving because I just got my passport back because I lost my passport because Sonjdradeluxe is kind of alive and well. This is how far we have to go all across Canada and to the northern eastern side of the United States. I just wanted to show a little bit of taking off because look how beautiful my city is, my provinces, mountains and ocean everywhere. New York is like my favorite city in the whole world because everybody loves to talk to strangers, and so do I. It's the capital of making 24-hour best friends, which I love. I love talking to any stranger that will listen. Don't bother asking me for the time because I'm about to tell you my life story. Anyways, this is what I look like. I was up since 3 a.m. and I was dying, but I was starving. And for whatever reason on the plane, my eczema just like flares up and then it'll kind of go away. Not even the sunlight can help me out in this situation, but my face is puffy. But I'm also just happy to my soul to be going to New York with my favorite company, my favorite city. I'm still exhausted and that's why my voice is still tired because I just got back literally yesterday. So they give you a hot towel in business class before you start your meal. We flew over somewhere very icy and snowy, but this was breakfast. I feel like they changed it a little bit, but it's still kind of the same meal. I yammed that and I was like, give me a mimosa. It was 8:30 a.m. I'm like, I just want to knock myself out, but I wanted to check how far we were, halfway there. And I was like, you know what, give me a double Caesar. And a Caesar is basically a Canadian Bloody Mary, but instead of tomato juice, we use Clamato, which is clam juice with tomato. And they also give you some nuts, cashews and almonds. I ate all the cashews out because I can't eat too many almonds because I am allergic. But this is just a beautiful sunset. And I'm like, holy, like I'm really not gonna see outside during the day. Like I left in the dark, I'm gonna arrive to New York in the dark, but that's okay. New York is still very beautiful. Also, tip, if you're flying to New York, it's actually very easy to get to Manhattan if you fly to New Jersey, Newark Airport. So that's what I did. This is me landing. Also getting super stoked. It's been quite a long day. It's about a 6-hour flight for me, just waiting for my car to pick me up. I thought this sign was so funny because literally I've gone with those guys before. Like they charge you an arm and a leg and they're like, oh, do you want a taxi? Me, I'm like, sure, of course. Yeah, I'm new here. Anyways, I got in my car. Thank God. There's the Statue of Liberty in Jersey. It's not in New York. I finally made it to my hotel room. Even my voice is exhausted. I'm so tired, but I'm really excited for this. I want to open it right away. This is me right now. I'm very exhausted. I want to shower, wash my face. I don't know why I got eczema. Anyways, your girl needs to rest. And I'm so freaking excited about these. I want to open them, but I might do a video dedicated to it. Okay, so this is the food. It looks really good. I'm so tired, but I'll let you know how it is. It's actually really good. I have to go to bed because I'm very tired. I'm gonna eat this. It's so spicy. Holy. See you tomorrow. Love you, back. Okay, so I was so tired. Anyways, I did my base. I haven't put in my contacts or anything like that. But if you know me, my snatching brush is very important. I totally forgot it. But the event is coming up soon. I'm not gonna do my makeup in the vlog just because I feel like that should be a separate makeup video. I don't want to like extend it too long, but I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready and go soon. So wish me luck. It's raining, so I don't know how my hair is gonna be, but I'll try my best. Yeah, let's get ready. This is the makeup we did. And it got rained on, but we're keeping a positive attitude. I'm freaking out. Pat's gonna be here. Excited for a Canadian baddie to be in the car. Okay, so I'm in the washroom of the place I'm supposed to be for the event. Very nervous, but very excited. This is the fit kind of Star Wars jacket. Wish me luck. Yeah! Thank you! Yum, 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 yum. Here with the legends! Happy to be here with Sonjdradeluxe.
No, this is perfect. Sorry.
I'm such a Star Wars fan, and my dad took me to see Star Wars when I was a kid, and we've always watched Star Wars together. So naturally, I FaceTimed my whole family group, and I told Darth Vader that we must FaceTime my dad. So I literally ran across the room once my dad answered. Darth Vader waved at him, and my dad was freaking out at first. He told me later, he's like, I thought it was an emergency because you were like screaming on the phone. My poor dad, but then he thought it was hilarious that I was like, as soon as he answered, I got him to, I got Darth Vader and the stormtroopers to wave at my dad. Awesome full circle moment. I'm freaking out. I thought she was so fierce, such a great model, and she was actually so dope after when I talked to her, and she was just totally playing with the camera.
It looks so good when you guys look down because it's like we're taking over.
This is Rennie Vasquez. Rennie!
I love you, baby.
I love you more. Oh my God.
Beautiful.
You look stunning. Wow.
This is the collection. It's so beautiful. So this is the first sneak peek before I actually swatch it for you guys on camera, which I will do in my next video. Very excited. And this is the visuals for Pat Mcgrath, and I actually met the girl who does the visuals, and she's so dope. She does drum and bass music, and she does these videos for Pat Mcgrath, and she was so cool. And like, I just felt so at home talking to her because she was kind of quirky. So am I, and I thought she was so dope. So anyways, there's the queen herself. And then I actually stayed after everything was finished because the Pat Mcgrath team is very much family. Amazing people that were behind the suits of Darth Vader and the stormtroopers, and they were so awesome. And they loved that I was going crazy for them. It was a night gifted from God. I met this amazing DJ. Her name's Gail Scott Music on Instagram. And we totally vibed. I was just so shocked. We're at the Erickson Hotel, very fancy hotel, and she was playing like old school roots reggae and like dance hall, and it was amazing. I was just like cheering her on, hyping her up. Anyways, that's the end of the vlog. We danced the night away. I had the time of my life. If you like vlogs like this, let me know. I had so much fun, and I'm so grateful to Pat Mcgrath for bringing me out. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow. Stay pretty, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care.